Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today, we're going to have a look at the Victorinox Pioneer X Alox 2022 Limited Edition. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. Thanks. Now, like most, I do like the Alox finish in the fact that it is a pair of metal scales and it's got that nice ribbed look. But here's an unpopular opinion. I hate that raw aluminum metal look. I think it makes the knife look cheap, and as a result, I've never bought one of those Alox knives. I do have one in black, and this is the Cadet, and I think that is nice and sleek, and that looks good. The texture is nice, and of course that metal look in black. To me, this looks good, it looks classy, but the plain silver ones just don't do it for me. I'm not sure if I'm the only one and it's just me, but you can let me know in the comments below. However, each year Victorinox would release different Alox knives in different colors as part of the limited edition. For example, for 2023, it's a bright green color. That doesn't really appeal to me. It's a nice looking knife, but doesn't really fit, I guess, my style, my fashion sense, and something I want. But the 2022 edition does indeed fit my personal aesthetic preferences. Now, I didn't buy it then because it was quite expensive, and I happened to find one on a discount and it's brand new, so I jumped on it, and this is what we have. So it comes in this very nice box, as with all the limited editions. Pull off that sleeve, lift this up, and here we have that Alox Limited Edition 2022. And let's have a look at the knife itself. Now this is Thunder Grey, that's what they call it, and I think that looks nice, that looks classy. Now compared to the black, both to me look good, but I think this being, you know, a kind of a almost like a gunmetal gray, I think that's really nice. And this is the Pioneer X. It's a medium size knife. You can see that 2022 on the back. Nice heft to it. I think when I think of a nice solid pocket knife, this definitely fits the bill. Now it is the Pioneer X because X stands for X, I guess, but it's basically because it has a pair of scissors, and that's what makes this model pretty popular as well, having the scissors with this configuration. Now this is a 93mm knife, so it is longer than the Cadet, and it's also slightly longer than the standard 91mm Swiss Army knives in the Celador or nylon scales. But yeah, this just looks good, right? Look even at the emblem. To me, this pops out nicely, and just, yeah, that looks classy. And we're to just run through the tools. We have, of course, the main blade. That's the 93mm blade. We do have the standard tool set in terms of the cap lifter, screwdriver, wire stripper, can opener, and smaller flathead screwdriver combination with the scissors, which I showed earlier. And we also have this Reamer tool. So this Reamer is pointed over here, but it's also sharpened here with kind of a chisel grind. So Reamer is used to drill holes into either leather or wood even, and then you can expand the hole due to this sharpened blade. And you can also use this as a scraper of sorts, kind of a general multi-purpose tool. And that's basically it. Now there are no back tools and there are no scale tools. I think that's the only bummer to me about the Alox handles. No scale tools, mainly because also I think they're a bit thinner than the Celador scales. They definitely could CNC machine something in. Maybe sometime in the future they might decide to make custom scale tools for the Alox handles, and I think that would be really nice, because that to me is the only thing kind of missing from this knife. But as a sturdy knife to carry around and feel happy about, I think you know, this is a really nice, pretty nice knife, and I think I would actually try to EDC this for a bit. I do carry a Victorinox Swiss Army knife as part of my EDC. Currently I'm carrying the compact, but I also switch it around with some other knives. I might carry this around and see how that goes. Definitely could fit with my general overall look. But that's it. The Pioneer X 2022 limited edition in Thunder Grey. What do you think of this particular knife? Do you have any other limited edition versions? Let me know, and remember to let me know whether you are like me and you just don't like those light silver raw aluminum handles, or do you think they're just fine? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.